Hi guys, this is Pelek from simplepagetips.com. In this review I'm going to talk about a new tool that's going to be launched today. The name of the tool is Striker by Venkataramana. And what I'm going to make inside this video is 4 easy steps. The first one I'm going to explain in few sentences what is Striker, what it's supposed to do. In the second part I'm going to talk a little bit about the sales page. In the third part I'm going to talk and show you inside the members area. In the last part I'm going to give you my honest opinion if the software is good for you. I'm going to explain it for you with a small example. This is inside YouTube. I write in the keyword search how to make money online, and I find this video to have almost 1 million views on this particular video. In this guide, inside the description, put a link. Maybe it's for his website, maybe it's for an affiliate offer. So you can understand there are going to be many viewers that are going to get inside his website. Striker does. She's going to find us videos with a link inside them. And she's supposed to tell us if this domain is expired or broken. And after I find the broken or expired domains, I can buy it. And now I can enjoy all the traffic that this video is going to get every day by sending the viewers to my website or to my affiliate offer, because now I bought this domain. And now, as I promised, the second part of the video, we're going to jump straight to the sales page. Let's talk a little bit about the sales page. This is a normal sales page with all the tricks that you can find on any other sales page. How you can make hundreds of dollars per day. You get thousands of clicks every day. They put AI before the name of the app, even though it's not an AI tool, okay? But the AI, it's a hot topic and everyone wants something with AI. So let's put AI inside. This is nonsense, of course. A little bit scarcity, the price rises in ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Some testimonials, some fake pictures about the money they make from the tool. Blah, 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 blah. And again and again. Or in other words, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. So for now, I like the idea of the software. The sales page is, of course, nonsense and bullshit stuff. Let's jump straight for the third part. This is inside the members area. So in the left-hand side, you have the dashboard. This is the main screen. This is the plan that you're going to buy, how many videos you saved, how searches you made. And this is a small demo video of the software. And if you decided to buy the software at the end, so watch the demo video, go to the training. The training are pretty nice, pretty easy to understand. So let's jump straight to the action. We're going to find domains. Inside the training area, you have a video that explains you exactly how you can do it. Then you're going to search video. So now let's ask the software to find me videos about how to use Wix. Okay, and I wanted the results only from YouTube, and I don't want 5 results, I want 20 results. Search. So this is the results. I asked for 20, I have only 5 results here. Something strange, all the videos take me to broken link that called Wix Fix. Okay, I will go to namecheck.com, go to Wix Fix, and I can see that this domain is not broken. Copy wixfix.com. You can see here that there is not a broken link. This domain is work pretty nice. But so unfortunately I cannot say to you that the software works good. Instead of 20 results, I get only 5. They bring me broken links that actually are working, okay? Let's try another term of use. How to sell crypto course. I ask for 20 results. Okay, I wait for 20 results. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. I have here this guy with 200,000 views and the broken link in the domain. I'm going to copy the domain, open it in a new window. Once again, this is not a broken link. Unfortunately, if the main software doesn't work, so I don't care about build website with this software or drive traffic with this software. But you need to understand that if someone promises you to make thousands of dollars buying a software that's going to cost you $17 and the software not work correctly, unfortunately, so of course all the upgrades are just nonsense and you cannot use them. And I hope that this video helped you a little bit to make the right decision if to buy the product or not. See you until next time. If you are still here, you're crazy, but subscribe to my channel, okay? Yeah, love you all, bye bye.